After the Barksdale Intelligent Transmitter is installed, let us look at its configuration and operation on a PC-based distributed control system, or a standalone HART host system. We will be using the Asset Management System or the AMS host by Emerson. This can be used as a reference for using other enhanced HART host systems. We will also be referencing to the transmitter's installation and operational manual. It must be used for any further details on the device. Section 3 under Contents of the Manual describes configuration and diagnostics. We will practically perform the instructions mentioned here and learn how to navigate through the entire device descriptor, or the DD. We will step through the user interface and understand how various features are categorized.